What if I told you that you could buy land and build your dream second home without draining your savings? In this video, I'm going to show you how to make it happen step by step using little to no out-of-pocket cash. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Rob, that Tax Lien Investment Guy, and if you're interested in real estate strategies that help you build wealth while keeping more cash in your pocket, then you're in the right place. Today I'll walk you through exactly how to finance your second home, from buying the land to building, without breaking the bank. Let's dive in. First, let's secure the land while keeping your cash investment as low as possible. Here's how you can target affordable or discounted land. Use tax liens and tax deed sales to buy land below market value through government auctions. Negotiate directly with the landowner to pay little or no money down by utilizing seller financing. Some counties have government land programs that offer cheap or free land if you commit to developing it. If you don't have liquid funds available, use a loan to finance the land. Banks and credit unions offer land or lot loans requiring 15 to 25% down. You can also borrow against your primary home to fund the land purchase by using a home equity loan. If the property is in a rural area, you may qualify for 0% down financing with a USDA loan. But as mentioned above, the easiest way to buy land with no bank involved and flexible payment terms is to use seller financing. Now that you own the land, let's finance the build while keeping cash in your pocket. One way to do this is with a construction loan. Construction to permanent loans are one-time loans that cover both the build and mortgage. If you're building a prefab or modular home, some lenders will finance both land and home in one loan. Another option is to use existing equity instead of cash. This can be done with a HELOC or cash-out refinance. Use your primary home's equity to fund construction. The last option is using land equity as a down payment. If you already own land and it has appreciated in value, lenders may accept it instead of a cash down payment. Even with financing, cutting costs during construction reduces your loan amount and payments. Here are some ways to do this. First, you can act as your own general contractor. Some lenders allow owner-builder loans, eliminating the need for a full-service contractor. Second, you can opt for cost-effective building methods. Prefab and modular homes are treated as traditional homes by lenders, meaning lower down payments. Also, barndominiums and kit homes offer cheaper per square foot costs than conventional builds. Finally, get construction discounts. Buy from surplus warehouses or auctions to find discounted or surplus materials. If you have the skills, do it yourself. You can save money by doing painting, landscaping, or minor projects yourself. Once your second home is built, here's how to lock in better financing and recover funds. Refinance into a traditional second home mortgage. If you used a short-term construction loan, refinance into a 30-year fixed-rate mortgage. Or if your home value has increased, a cash-out refinance can recover funds spent up front. And that's how you can buy land and build a second home with minimal out-of-pocket costs. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more real estate financing strategies. Got questions? Drop them in the comments and I'll be happy to help. See you in the next video.